We're the happy French fries.
Do you know how to make French fries?
Golden and crispy.
Let's start.
Hooray, hooray.
First, we take some fresh, clean potatoes. Then peel off and slice them into fingers. Wash the potato slices. Add the dried finger slices and already heated oil. Then wait till you are so hungry. Eat!
Potato fries are ready.
They are delicious. I love fries with ketchup.
We're the happy French fries, dancing all day. Golden and crispy. Hooray,
It's so
hooray.